Good afternoon. It's Scott with Schmidt Samber Ranch, headed home. Pretty slow day at work again, but it was rained all day, so we'll take it. Well, it rained till 1 o'clock or 1:30, so, but like the rain. So this evening we get home, I got a new battery for the Kawasaki, and I am going to put myself through the torment of installing it. So we'll get home and do that. Probably won't have to haul any water to the trees today because the Lord took care of that for us. We'll have to go check on the pigs and check on the eggs. Put the battery in. Not looking forward to it. Looking forward to it being done, but not looking forward to doing it. So that's what we'll do when we get home. You guys are invited along. See you there. All right, made it home. We're going to try to put this battery in there. It's raining a little bit, kind of misty, which I'll take. Keep on raining. Okay, so we'll see what it's going to take. Hopefully this goes in easier than it came out. But there is the battery, $70. So I'm going to try to put it in there, get things hooked back up, and then maybe we'll drive this out to check on the pigs. Let's go check on the eggs real quick. Make sure we're still running at temperature there. And I didn't get that humidistat again today. But yeah, we're pretty well at temperature and our level down. So we're gonna have to add some water to that probably tomorrow. So, and I want to make sure that the next time I come in here, the last time I was in here, these were at this angle. So I want to make sure the next time I come in here to note that's turning, but it should be. So, all right. Well, I'm going to try to whip that battery in there. See you guys when I'm done. Well, it's in there, and we'll find out together whether it's going to work or not. Fired up. We're going to run out to the pigs, check them, although it's pretty well raining, but we'll head out there. Well, it did take me about 30 minutes to get that battery installed, but it's in there and done. So, see what pig 1 and pig 2 are up to. This is nice weather for them. Well, they've been doing some digging today. So, there's pig 1. Where's pig 2? There's pig 2. All right, we'll dump him some cubes. Or pellets, really, not cubes. Different thing. See if we can get them in that pan down there. Close. Pretty good weather to be a pig. Look at this, guys. What happened at work today? Look at this. Whole sole of my shoe came off. So maybe that means I'm working too hard. But probably not. All right. Well, I think we're going to maybe run out to the pond real quick. Wanted to see if the geese were there and take this for a ride. So I'll see you out there. Oh, about broke the door. No geese, but the pump's still running. We're gonna have to take the canoe out here one of these days. And somebody left some jug lines down here. Wasn't even aware that anybody was running jug lines down here, but must be. So, got no geese, but right back there behind the pond, down in there is kind of like a swampy area. It's got a lot of cattails and trees. I'm wondering if they're not staying down in there a lot. It's pretty thick down through there, so maybe. I don't know. Not a goose expert, but all right. See you in a minute. My side-by-side doesn't have a windshield wiper, so I'm driving blind. Wanted to walk you guys back here with me and look at the strawberries to see how they're doing. They were looking pretty good yesterday. Had a little sun yesterday though. They probably didn't get much sun today at all. Well, you can see them kind of. I'm gonna open them up a little bit. These are all right down here, but I want to pull that back. There's a strawberry right down there. Look at that. Wow, that's one more strawberry than I thought we'd get. So these, I just want them tomorrow. I think maybe it's supposed to rain some more, but I don't want them totally covered up where they're shaded out, but I want them kind of like that. So if we do get a little sunshine, they can have a chance to get some up and get some sun on them. Been pretty wet since we planted them. Should be one in here. Yeah, that one. This one here pretty well covered up. I don't know. Maybe that'll help them. I thought this straw would eventually lay down, but okay. Yeah. I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So they look pretty good when the sun's out. All right. Well, fescue. It looks pretty. It's pretty spotty. We got our work cut out for us on that. But I still haven't figured out anything to plant in there. Any suggestions? I'm open. So, all right, Drake. It's raining, but he likes the water. So, okay. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.